Dill water is traditionally used to treat colic in young children, as parents are well aware. And in China, it has long been taken for the recovery of the whole body. In this issue, we will talk about all the features of this simple and affordable medicine, about indications and contraindications for its use. We hope that this information will be useful and interesting. Dill water has a rich composition. It is suitable not only for children, but also has a beneficial effect on the digestive process in adults and improves metabolism. Pharmacy dill water is essential oil of fennel diluted in water in a certain proportion. At home, such a healing drink can be prepared both from the seeds of dill and from the plant itself. The essential oils included in dill have a relaxing effect on the intestines. B vitamins, among other things, are antioxidants, protecting cells from the attacks of foreign substances. The plant and its seeds contain a number of trace elements: iron, manganese, zinc, and copper. Iron is a part of hemoglobin. Its function is to deliver oxygen to all tissues and organs. Iron deficiency leads to anemia with pallor, weakness, and shortness of breath. Manganese is good for the nervous system and takes part in the immune response. Zinc improves resistance to infections and the digestive tract. Indications for taking it are not only colic or bloating. The natural medicine boosts the immune system, relieves cramps, and has a diuretic effect. Dill decoction removes toxins and reduces inflammation. It can be used for recreational purposes in people of all age groups. Here is how to prepare the medicine yourself. Method 1. 1 teaspoon of fennel or dill seeds, pour 200 ml of hot water and leave to brew for 1 hour. Method 2. Add a glass of water to 2 tablespoons of chopped dill greens. Give time to infuse, then strain. Newborns dill water for colic should be given, starting with a teaspoon. If the baby is well tolerated the reception of this remedy, then its amount is gradually increased to 3, and then, if necessary, to 6 teaspoons per day. The duration of intake will depend on the health of the baby and the presence of intestinal problems. Babies often do not like the taste of dill water, and they spit it out. To avoid this, the remedy can be added to formula or milk. In this way, you can solve the problem of constipation and intestinal gas. Adults for this purpose should take 1/4 cup once a day before meals. The laxative effect in this case is mild, so the result may come in about 3 days. Dill water also facilitates digestion and improves appetite. The anti-inflammatory substances of dill relieve the symptoms of bladder inflammation. You need to take 1 tablespoon of seeds, add a glass of boiling water, and leave to infuse. Divide the medicine into 5 parts and take during the day. Dill infusion stimulates lactation. The remedy also helps to lose excess weight after pregnancy and normalize the hormonal background. In addition, the intake of dill water helps to avoid stagnant milk and associated mastitis. To do this, the infusion should be drunk daily, but no more than 1 glass a day. Dill water reduces blood pressure and dilates blood vessels. It has diuretic properties, which allows you to get rid of edema. To prepare 3 tablespoons of dried or fresh dill seeds, pour 0.5 ol of boiling water, then wait a few hours. Drink the infusion by 1 teaspoon 3 times a day. To 100 ml of dill water, you can add 1 teaspoon of honey and get an excellent remedy for colds. The compounds included in the drink increase the body's resistance. Such a remedy can be taken prophylactically during the season of colds and viral diseases. It helps to cope with a long cough, having an expectorant effect. In addition, the composition reduces inflammation in the respiratory tract. To prepare it, 1 tablespoon of dill seeds is brewed with 0.5 liters of boiling water. The finished infusion is taken before each meal with 1 tablespoon. Dill water helps with many kidney problems. The medicine has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory effects, so it is effective as adjuvant therapy for pyelonephritis. In the early stages of urolithiasis, dill water helps to eliminate sand. In diseases of the kidneys, can prepare the following remedy. Pour 1 tablespoon of chopped dill, 0.5 liters of cold water, and boil over low heat until boiling. Then leave the broth to infuse for 2 hours. Strain the ready remedy and drink 1 tablespoon before breakfast, lunch, and dinner. When gastritis and cholithiasis, dill water supplies the body with vitamins and minerals. Thanks to their action, there is an improvement in the healing of inflamed mucous membranes, so this drink is truly invaluable. Timely intake of decoction will help to prevent such complications as stomach ulcers. The drink also has a choleritic effect, which can improve digestion, prevent stagnant bile, and the formation of stones in the bile ducts. However, if there are already stones, you should not get carried away with dill water, because it can lead to their displacement and pain. In inflammation of the mucous membrane of the mouth, stomatitis, dill water can also help. It has antimicrobial properties and improves healing. To disinfect the mouth, it is recommended to rinse it with dill decoction. It is better to perform the procedure after every meal, but you can do it even more often. Dill water speeds up the metabolism, promotes the breakdown of fats, and thus helps to get rid of extra pounds. To achieve the desired effect, it is enough to take it half a glass a day. Since the drink has a diuretic effect, you should prepare for the fact that you will have to go to the bathroom more often. As a herbal remedy, dill water is relatively safe. However, it is contraindicated to some people. In order not to harm your health, you should be aware of these restrictions. For example, dill water can greatly reduce blood pressure in people without hypertension, so you should not take it in large quantities. Dill water has a calming, relaxing effect on the nervous system and slows reaction time. This should be remembered by drivers and those whose work requires concentration. Allergic reactions or individual intolerance of dill will be a contraindication to the intake of dill water. Do not take dill water in early pregnancy because it can provoke uterine contractions. This threatens bleeding or miscarriage. If after taking dill water you feel nausea, abdominal pain, and other undesirable reactions, it is better to reduce the dosage or refuse this remedy altogether. In general, dill water contains a lot of useful properties. It is a natural cure for many diseases, which is easy to prepare yourself. Share this video with your friends and family, like and subscribe to the channel to always stay informed about all the most useful things. See you on new videos.